Hello, my name is Sam Smith. Our team has been tasked with designing a subsea water line. This 2 kilometer long water line will transport approximately 75 gallons of water per day to the 800-person Carti Tupile community. That being said, I'm going to pass it off to Ryan for introductions and site overview.
Our project team. So this is our group organizational chart. At the top, we have Trey Barlow, Mitchell Steele, who are on the hydraulics and the controls. And then we have Sam Smith and Ryan Sinclair, who are on the construction management and the maintenance plan. On the left and right sides are our UT grading team members. And then at the bottom, we have our project technical mentor, Mark McKinney from Barge Design Solutions, and then Alan Foster and John Workman from Solea Water. This is our site location. So on the left is the entire stretch of our pipe. The solid red line is the pipe we were tying into. Then our design starts at this tying point and stretches to the island of Carti Tupile. Now I'm going to pass it off to Trey.
Our project addresses the clean water needs of a small community, Carti Tupile, seen here. We are designing a subsea water line from an existing water line on the mainland to the island. Our principal method for designing this water line relies very heavily on mentored experience and assessments of risk. Our mentor has helped us sequence and pick areas of design to focus on. One of the key areas we have focused on is the maintenance capabilities of the native population. Our mentor, client, and community outreach forum has yielded key points regarding the conditions of the area. With the capabilities of the natives in mind, we have developed a pressure control water line with the necessary controls to make the water line maintenance functionality as appropriate as possible. Our project has greatly influenced the team's outlook on the struggles of communities outside our lives that are looking for what until now we considered readily available for everyone. We have seen the population stand up and construct design components from past projects, and this infrastructure development is interesting to see when the outcome is not necessarily more money in one's pocket, but in contrast, honest work toward the goal to provide. And with that, I'm going to pass it on to Mitchell Steele.
Has been an incredible experience for everyone involved. Our team gained hands-on experience designing sustainable solutions while learning to align technical designs with community needs through mentorship and feedback. For our mentor, it reaffirmed their commitment to guiding future engineers. For Solea, it's another opportunity to provide clean water to a community in need, a mission they're very passionate about. The design focuses on maintainability, empowering the Carti Tupile community to sustain the system long term. We've learned the value of culturally appropriate designs and simplified systems, and will continue collaborating with our mentors and client to deliver the best results for the people of Panama. Thank you.